Filipinos now have the option to travel to 54 out of the 198 countries and areas worldwide. According to the Department of Foreign Affairs, inbound border restrictions on Filipino travels in these destinations have been lifted. The DFA reminds Filipinos entry to such countries and areas are subject to medical protocols and flights available. Only 7 countries allow entry without inbound arrival protocols. Meanwhile, 130 countries and areas remain closed for tourism.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.